Welcome to Fran's Birdie Camp. We are having a lovely day today, looking out and about in this beautiful weather we are having here in Oregon. Oh, and that is Charlie. He's enjoying his day outside with all his buddies. Say hi, guys. And we're sitting out in the patio and enjoying the beautiful day we are having here at Fran's Birdie Camp. And this is a bird's eye view of all the lovely things that they see here at Birdie Camp. And we make great friends here. And we just have a grand time, don't we, guys? Say hello. Say hi. This is Sunny. Sunny is not camera shy at all. Oh, yeah. And this is Tito. And Torkel. You gonna do the Stevie Wonder for me, Sunny? Huh? Oh, you gonna play with your pirates? Oh, and there's Chunky Monkey. Oh, yeah. And then we got the Juicy Lucy, my birdie. I love that bird. And then our favorite talker, right here, Charlie. You gonna say something, Charlie? You gonna eat? You're not gonna sing opera for us today? Well, we'll get back with y'all. We're going to come and enjoy our day today, and we'll do another video here at Fran's Birdie Camp. Bye now.